Namaste and welcome to Refeel Yoga. In today's video, I'd like to introduce one of the most foundational practices from Yogi Bhajan's Kundalini Yoga, the practice of Sat Kriya. Yogi Bhajan says, if you have time for nothing else, practice this Kriya daily to keep the body a healthy and vital temple of God. He really stresses that this is a very important practice. It helps to purify as well as stimulate the sexual energy, which in turn helps to awaken the Kundalini. Practicing Sat Kriya strengthens the entire sexual system. It removes sexual phobias, gives one control over sexual impulses, and trains to sublimate this energy to higher purposes of healing and creativity. It's recommended to start Sat Kriya with just 3 minutes. This is a Kriya, it's not an exercise. So there's a lot of purification going on, a lot more than just what the physical body is undergoing. As it is a Kriya, we're going to use a mantra to support us. The mantra is Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat is the truth and Nam is I am. So we're saying I am the truth. I am the truth. Because inside of us we all have this beautiful, infinite truth. It's just covered with layers of things we've accumulated through the life, our patterns, our influences from parents, society, media. But behind all of that, there's this beautiful divine being in each and every one of us. And doing this Kriya and awakening this energy can help us to realize this truth that's within. Also, using this mantra, Sat Nam, helps to keep the mind pure. So if some sort of energetic awakening does happen, we're in kind of a safe container. Keeping that in mind, it is a powerful Kriya, so only start with 3 minutes. Yogi Bhajan says you can work up to a maximum of 31 minutes, but to do very slowly. It should take months or even years to get to that point. Start with 3 minutes and we build up. It's also recommended that for as long as we perform Sat Kriya, we immediately relax into Savasana for double that time. So today we will do for 3 minutes and we will take a 6-minute Savasana after to allow that energy to settle, allow the mind and body to integrate the practice, and ultimately the subconscious to process the effects of this cleansing technique. To perform Sat Kriya, we come onto the knees. In a kneeling position, sitting on the heels. We interlock the fingers in Venus lock. So the fingers are interlaced. Men have the right thumb on top and the left little finger on bottom. And women have the left thumb on top and the right little finger on bottom. From this position, we extend the index fingers, point the index fingers, and we're going to have the arms overhead. I apologize, I know that it's a little bit out of the scene, but we want to keep the arms extended straight up, nice and straight, shoulders back, chest open, keeping this very vertical column so that the energy can sublimate up. Whilst in this position, we're going to chant the mantra Sat Nam. As we say Sat, really pull the navel in, let that power explode into the navel center. Sat. And as you say Nam, relax. Nam. Sat. Nam. No other movement is necessary. Don't be moving the shoulders. No need to contract Mula Bandha, anything like this. It will kind of happen naturally. But we want to focus only on the navel. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Afterwards, after our chanting, Sat Nam. Sat Nam, we take a deep inhalation. Fill the lungs as much as we can. We squeeze Mula Bandha now, contracting the genitals and anus, and visualize this energy going up the spine, piercing the top of the head, going up through the crown, through Sahasrara, uniting us with the universe, sending it up, sending it up, sending up. And then we'll release Mula Bandha, we'll release the breath, lower the arms, take a moment to experience the results, and then we'll lay down into Shavasana for relaxation. So getting ready for the performance of Sat Kriya, coming to a kneeling position, sitting on the heels. We're going to do this for 3 minutes. We start by interlacing the fingers. Men, right thumb on top, left little finger on bottom. Women, left thumb on top, right little finger on bottom. Extend the index fingers. Reach the arms overhead. As we say Sat, pull the navel in firmly. As we say Nam, relax the navel. Sat, Nam, Sat, Nam. And let's begin. Arms overhead, close the eyes and begin. Sat, Nam, 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 Sat. As you do these practice, don't be inhibited. Do it out loud. Cultivate your own power, your own awakening. Nam, Sat, 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 Nam. And deep inhalation, fill the lungs. Hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, and from the base of the spine, send the energy up, send it up the spine, piercing the crown, sending it up, sending it up. And gently release Mula Bandha, release the breath, and lower the arms. Sitting with the eyes closed, observing the sensations, feeling the effect of this Kriya, energizing of the lower chakras, sublimation of the energy to the higher centers, an upward movement of energy along the spine, feeling of lightness in the body, and expansion in the mind. And keeping this energy contained inside, slowly and carefully, make your way down to a comfortable lying position, lying on the back for final relaxation in Savasana. Taking this time to allow everything to soften and relax. Feel this beautiful energy through the body. Just give yourself this space to allow it to move, to allow it to settle wherever it's needed. Breathing slow, steady. Just letting go. And gently coming back to your body. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Sat Nam.